Hello friends, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class. Today in this class we'll be solving this second example on this topic we introduced in our previous class. There are critical points of a given function or a given curve. So remember, this is under the application of what? Differentiation. So let's see how we can find the critical points of this given function. Y is equals to exponential x raised to power 3 minus 3x plus 8. So what I've just written down now is that the critical point derivative of y with respect to x is 0. As we have it here, I've already written it down before. So we are going to follow what I've written down. So we first of all find this derivative of y with respect to x. But look at this. Y is equals to exponential x raised to power 3 minus 3x plus 8. I've already done a video on how to find the derivative of exponential functions. So if you want to find the derivative of exponential function, you differentiate the exponent. What is the exponent? Exponent is x raised to power 3 minus 3x plus 8. So you differentiate it. So let's differentiate it first. So you differentiate x raised to power 3, you bring down this power. So you have 3x minus 1 from 3. If you minus 1 from 3, it will be 2. So 3x squared. So do the same thing here. This one will give you what? Minus 3. Then if you differentiate 8, 8 is a constant. If you differentiate it, you get what? 0. Derivative of a constant is 0. Then so this is derivative of this is 0. So you are going to use this result to multiply the entire exponential function. Exponential x raised to power 3 minus 3x plus 8. So derivative of y with respect to x give us this result, right? Then we have what? Equal to 0, as we have it here. So let's divide this side by exponential x raised to power 3 minus 3x plus 8. Divide this side also. So if you divide this side by if you use this to divide this side, so both of them will get cancelled, right? Remaining, what's now remaining is what? This quantity, 3x squared minus 3. That's what is remaining. So if you divide 0 by this quantity, you are going to get what? 0. So you have 0. We can move 3 to this side, right? If you move 3 to this side, this implies 3x squared equals positive 3. I'll move this 3 to this side. So if you divide both sides by 3, so this implies x squared. If you divide here by 3, I have x squared. If you divide here by 3, I have what? 1. So I divided here by 3, divided here by 3. So this implies I can take the square root of both sides. Take square root of this, take square root of this. So this implies x is equals to plus or minus square root of 1. If you are taking square root of both sides, you are going to put plus or minus here. So I am taking square root of this, square root of this. Take square root of this. Square root will cancel square, have x. Take square root of 1. You are going to put plus or minus. So remember, square root of 1 is what? Square root of 1 is 1. So this implies that x is equals to plus or minus 1, because square root of 1 is 1. So this implies that x is what? This implies that x is 1 or x or minus 1 or minus 1. So that's what we got. X is 1 or what? Minus 1. The critical points are what? 1 and minus 1, as we got it here. So thank you so much for being part of this class. See you in our upcoming class. Bye.